Hey guys, welcome back. In this session, we will discuss about different languages in SQL. Like we will discuss about the SQL commands like DDL, DQL, DML, DCL, and TCL commands. Okay. So SQL commands are used to interact with database. These commands allow users to perform various actions on a database. In this session, we will see about SQL commands or SQL sub-language commands like DDL, DQL, DML, DCL, and TCL. All important SQL commands with their syntax are shown in this session. So SQL is a database language by which we can perform certain operations on the existing database, and we can also use this language to create a database. SQL uses certain commands like create, drop, insert, etc. to carry out the required tasks. SQL commands are like instructions to a table. It is used to interact with the database with some operations. It is used to perform specific tasks, functions, and queries to the data. SQL can perform various tasks like creating a table, adding data to tables, dropping a table, modifying a table, set permissions for users, and few more. So these SQL commands are mainly categorized into 5 categories. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. TCL means Transaction Control Language. TCL is Data Control Language. TQL is Data Query Language. DML is Data Manipulation Language. Let's see them in little detail. The data definition language consists of SQL commands that can be used to define the database schema. It deals with descriptions of the database schema and is used to create and modify the structure of database objects in the database. DDL is a set of SQL commands used to create, modify, and delete database structures, but not the data. These commands are normally not used by a general user who should be accessing the database via an application. So list of DDL commands. What are the different DDL commands? So we have create, drop, alter, truncate, comment, and rename. So the create command create database or its objects like table, index, function, views, stored procedure, and triggers. For example, we can write create table command, which will create the structure of a table. Then we have truncate. It removes all records from a table, including all spaces allocated for the records are removed. It removes an object existing in the database. Alter. It alters the structure of the database. Comment adds comments to the data dictionary. Drop deletes objects from the database. So we can use the drop command to drop a table by specifying its table name. We can use the alter command to alter the table, like to add a new column by specifying the column name and the data type to a particular table. We can use the truncate command to truncate the table by specifying its table name. We can use the comment command to comment some text on a particular table. We can use the rename command to rename table from old table name to the new table name. So all these are the commands under DDL.